Pachipamwe, and welcome to Speak Shona episode 3. We can say hello. We can say goodbye. We want to be able to say please. So please in Shona is usually inferred through context and through little endings at the end of words. Usually the endings are o or wo. We're going to see this in practice going forward, so I'm not going to touch on that a lot today. But one way that a person might say please is ndapota. This is like really, please, pretty please, ndapota. And it usually comes with something else. So, please wait for me. Ndapota ndimirire. Ndapota ndimirire. As in, do not wait for me. I can say, please eat, and I'm really begging them to eat. Then it'll be, ndapota ijga. Ndapota ijga. That's how you would say please in Shona. Let's repeat that slowly and do a little bit of revision of some of the stuff we did in lesson 1 and 2. So, how would you say please, pretty please, I beg? Yes, ndapota. Ndapota. How do you say hello? You can say moro or moroi, hevoi, kwaziwai, Ndeipi, Pachipamwe, hesi. And how would you say goodbye if you are staying behind? Fambai zvakanaka. Endai zvakanaka. What about if you're the one going? Sarai zvakanaka. That's it for today. See you in the next episode. Tona.